Okay, hello there. Welcome to another packaging video for Mercai, Etsy, and eBay. And we have a pair of hiking boots. I sold these before and they got returned. These are old ones. Mont Blanc. These are old. They're rock hard. They're fluffy on the inside. They sold for I think 96 on Etsy. These little guys sold on eBay last night. I just got them listed the other day. They'd been listed a long time ago, but apparently somehow they got unlisted. And then this sold on, I'm thinking that sold on eBay. It's just, I bought this quite a long time ago. I mean, like these have probably been listed for, I want to say 8 years, something like that. And I sold most of them off. When I bought this set, it was missing 2 pieces, I think. And so I just listed them separately, each one separately, and I've sold them off over the years. There's 3 left. I got a black knight. There's a black knight, a white knight, I think, and another black piece. Can't remember what they are. And then this pocket boggle, I think that sold on Mercai, I want to say. And then these just sold on eBay. Little stained glass ornaments. They sold and they went to global shipping. So they're going to Canada. They're going to BC, British Columbia. And the guy paid like $40 altogether, 40 some dollars. Gave me 20 for them. There's like a set of 12 or something like that there. I got 20 and the shipping was another 20. So, okay. So I'm just going to start with these, I guess. And I'm going to make sure they get there safe and sound. So I'm going to just put a couple in each round here of bubble wrap. There we go. Hear the dog running around upstairs. I don't know if you could hear it or not. It's funny. She gets tearing. Well, you know, Jean's home, so it's playtime. Playtime. When isn't it playtime? When you're a puppy. Oh, she's a year old now, or over a year old, so I guess she's not a puppy anymore. Well, I watched the new episode of Doctor Who last night. That was very, very intense. Very intense. They saved the best for last, that's for sure. And I watched the #1 trending on Netflix, the A Good and Evil something. It's a sort of a little fantasy romp kind of a thing, you know, fairies and princesses and witches and all that stuff. And it was entertaining. It was fun. I enjoyed it. A little twisty. It's got a little social commentary kind of on things. Sort of a play on good and evil, and how good's not necessarily so good and evil's not necessarily so evil. And it was fun to watch, though. It was interesting. I found it interesting. Now I'm just going to put those into a little box. Do I have any? Yeah. These are so soft, so these. I ordered more 6x4x4s. I did get them. Where are they? Are they right there? They must be. I ordered more than that, but where did I put them? I have these ones. Oh, they're right here. A bunch of them right here. I ordered what I ordered. I think 200, 100. Maybe it's 100. Probably 100. Yeah, I ordered 100 of them. This little piece of bubble wrap in there. And I did order some of these. I actually used Commonwealth Picker's link that he has on his channel to go to Supply Hut, but they were out. They were like out of all their poly bubbles. There wasn't any of them there. So I was out of luck on that, so I had to go. It was cheaper to get them on eBay anyway. There was a little cheaper seller there. It wasn't 3Herb or whatever. It was somebody else. I'll put ornament for ornament. Of course, cheap isn't always my number one reason for buying certain things. It's a good reason, but I've gotten burned a few times buying the cheapest guy, because sometimes you get what you pay for. The old Mennonite preacher once said, getting the best deal ain't always the best deal. I'm going to put that in a box. I think I got like 8 something for that chest piece. The trash bag is on the loose. And I need some more bubble wrap. It's over here on the other side of the basement. Okay, so then we got chess. I could have just put king. I could have put king instead of chess. King me. Alright. And we'll do these little guys, little bumpers for Thomas the Train or Rio or whatever they are. There we go. And TT. What do we got next? Boggle, pocket boggle. Will that fit into... I don't think it's going to fit in here. Nope, it's not going to fit in that one. This one's a little bit bigger. It'll fit in here. Did I tell you I finally fixed my... got around to fix my links below the video so that they shouldn't be broken now, or at least for a while. And I did include a link to, and they're all affiliate links, to some of that brown tape. Tried to pick the least expensive one. But always do your due diligence, and when you click through, make sure you look and make sure it's still the least expensive one. Boggle. Alright, I don't know if I have... See, this is a while ago when I was getting... This poly bag came from eBay. I don't have any of those anymore. I did have a poly bag. I have this poly bag that this was in. It was open because the buyer opened one bag, tried a shoe on, found out they didn't fit. Because these are from the 80's, so the sizes run small compared to today's sizes. So hopefully, I think I did make sure I put that in the listing, but they sold on Etsy, which may not have. That's good though. That'll work. That's good enough. Alright, so now I have to... What for box do I want to put those in? I'm going to put those in... Will they fit in... I don't know if they'll fit in here. No, they won't fit in there. I might want to send them here. They'll fit in here though. This is the one I just had was a 10 by 8 by 6. This is a 12 by 8 by 6. It's so easy when you just have the right boxes that you can they're just stacked up and you can just go get them. Alright, I want to put something else in there. I'm going to use this white stuff I asked you about the other day. It's so nice when you have the right size boxes and you can just reach for them and grab them and move right on. It's, you know, the free boxes are cool and everything, you know, and I'm really thankful my wife brings them home because it does save me some money. But usually it's for boxes. A lot of times it's boxes that either they're real little ones, which I use right up, or they're bigger ones that are odd sizes that sometimes I do need. They do take up an awful lot of room down here sometimes. Sometimes the big boxes, I cut them up and put them in a stack here to use for other things. So yeah, that was that. That one's done. So hey, thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching the video. Please hit the thumbs up. I appreciate that. If you're not subscribed, I think you should subscribe. And so keep cross posting and keep listening. Bye bye.